What's up, guys? I'm in the E46. I'm finished installing the doubled-in radio. I filmed the entire process, but I had a memory card corruption issue, so I'm gonna see if I can save any of that video off the memory card. But so far, I'm just gonna do a little review on it. Installation wasn't too bad. I found there was a bunch of broken pieces in the original airbox, so I needed to replace those anyways. One of them was the little flapping door for the foot vents that turns the air on and off that goes to your feet. This piece right here, I drilled a hole right there to add the USB port, but the 12-volt outlet, it's really nice, it's tight in there. The DSC button fits kind of loose. This one has the five spots. It's not just the one large opening, so I'm not sure about that one, but the one with the 5, the openings are slightly too big. This little trim piece here, kind of walks around in there. The climate control, that's nice and tight in there. It doesn't come around, doesn't really move. The doubled-in radio fits in there really nice. This is the DMH 160BT. Picked it up really cheap at Walmart like a couple years ago. I had it in a different vehicle and decided to put it in this one. I'll just get a different one for that vehicle. But installation wasn't too hard. They made it very easy, even with a Dremel tool. Cutting the top of the airbox wasn't too bad, so just doing that. The radio is held in there very, very tight, no movement. So that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe.